Good day, students. Today, I want to consider calculations of the height of the flag under the angle of elevation. It's a question that often comes out in external examination and also internal examination. It's a frequently asked question. And let's see what's on the board. This is a man is 22.1 away from the foot of the pole of a pole. Let's see the man. This is the man. Use M to represent the man. This is the foot of the pole and the pole. It's represented with a straight line. Don't forget that when you have a flag is being held by a pole. The man looks, this is the man. He looks up angle of elevation at the top of the pole of the flag. This is the top of the flag and also the bottom of the flag. And I told that a man is 22.1 meter away from the pole, from the foot of the pole. You observe the angle of elevation of the top. He looks up at the top and the bottom of the flag to be 32 degrees. The first one goes to the top of the flag, 32 degrees. And he looks at the bottom of the flag. That's at angle 28 degrees for the second one. And this, the total, let's take this height of the flag, HF, we are looking for. Total height of the pole, H total. Let's take the height to the base of the flag to be H. Now this is the opposite and this is the adjacent. We are going to use tan theta because we are having opposite and adjacent. Don't forget your SOHCAHTOA. Sine is opposite of hypotenuse, cos is adjacent of hypotenuse, tan is opposite of adjacent. We are using tan. And when you have that tan theta, because opposite over adjacent. Okay, now I have tan, what's the angle? The first angle tan 32 degrees, because what's the opposite? The total, that is tan 32 degrees, cover the whole height, that's HT over adjacent 22.1. You cross multiply, you have HT to be equals to tan 32 degrees times 22.1. I do that. You're having HT because tan 32 degrees. Tan 32 degrees is 0.6249 times 22.1. When you multiply that, you have 13.81 meters. Okay, now let's go to the angle it looks at the base, at the bottom of the flag, which is tan 28 degrees plus H over 22.1. You cross multiply, you are having H equals tan 28 degrees times 22.1. Tan 28 degrees times 22.1. We are having H to be equals to what our tan 28 degrees. Our tan 28 degrees is 0.5317. 0.5317 times 22.1. You have H now. You do your multiplication, you're having 11.75 meters. Now, the formula you have to take note is that height of the flag equals height to top minus height to bottom. Height to top of the flag minus height to the bottom, height to the bottom of the flag. Height to top of the flag minus height to bottom of the flag. And what do you use to represent height to top? What do you use to represent height of the flag is HF. HF equals height to top. We use height of the flag to represent HF. Height to top of the flag HT minus height to the bottom of the flag H, which is what our HT. Our HT is 13.81 minus our H is 11.75. They are all in meters. Now for HF, which is height of the flag, equals 2.06 meters. That's meters to two decimal places. To 2 decimal places. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.